Alright guys, so for the past couple weeks I've been using OBS with absolutely no issues. And then all of a sudden out of the blue, I went to hit display capture and capture my desktop and I got that dreaded black screen. So I jumped onto YouTube and I watched a few videos on, how to go ahead and fix that issue. What is the most common reason? It works for probably 95 to 98% of the people that end up getting that black screen. But that did not work for me. It didn't fix my issue. And then I figured out this. Started. So as you guys can see, I have OBS up and I have a black screen. And so I was getting so frustrated the other day, like I said, uninstalled it, reinstalled it, nothing was working. So then I finally decided, I was looking through the graphics settings and I noticed that I had this on from a previous gaming session, HDR. So I'm like, okay, well, let's turn HDR off. Because I normally don't have HDR when I'm running Windows. And then bam, there it is, no more black screen. So having HDR on was causing me to have a black screen. A lot of you guys out there might think, well, how did I not know that HDR was on? Because normally on other monitors that I have, when I keep HDR on, the text looks really, really blurry. On this monitor, on this Alienware 38-inch, it doesn't. It looks the same as being off to on. There's no noticeable difference to my eye anyways. So turning HDR off fixed the issue. So maybe this is what's happening to you. If the standard issue is not working, like I said, for the 1 or 2% of people that fix that works for 95% of people isn't working. So now let me show you the fix that works for 95% of the people. So right click on your desktop, click display settings, scroll down to advanced display settings. Nope, wrong. Scroll down and click graphics settings, excuse me. And then right below desktop app, you're going to click browse. And then wherever you have OBS installed, I have it under the C drive, under program files, and OBS Studio. You're going to click on bin, 64-bit, and then you're going to click on the application icon that says OBS 64. You're going to click that, then you're going to click on here, and you're going to click options. Now, where it says graphics preference, from everything that I've read and the videos that I've watched, you're going to want to have this on using your integrated graphics or your CPU. For some reason, it doesn't let me here, or you're going to have it on power saving. I'm going to have it on high performance because it works for me. But then you just hit save and exit out of that. And then that's how you fix it for 95% of the people that end up having issues. You just have to select the hardware that you're going to use to go ahead and display your desktop. But again, for the other 1 or 2% of people out there that fix doesn't work, maybe your HDR's on. Just turn it off before you pull all your hair out and uninstall OBS 100 times like I did. So those are the 2 fixes, guys. I hope they help you out. As you can see, having HDR was causing me to have a black screen. Now I know, again, a lot of people out there, when you turn HDR on, you definitely notice because the text becomes all blurry and stuff like that. But on this Alienware 38-inch monitor, the text still looks great with HDR on, so I didn't even notice that I still had it on. Now, why it was causing the display capture to show a black screen, I don't know, but I turned it off and everything's hunky-dory. So, and if you guys out there, if you guys are still getting a black screen and you have an HDR monitor, who knows, maybe you have HDR on and that's what's causing your issue. So I just wanted to make a video, show you guys 2 fixes. I hope either one of them can help you out. If you like this video, hit the like button. And if you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. So anytime that I make a new video, you're aware of that and you guys can check it out. And as always, guys, stay safe, stay healthy. I appreciate you, and I'll see you in the next one.